A weekend, Bhubaneswar Nua Kono explore kari haba. Well, how about a urban cafe with bold and artistic wall murals, a menu that covers the best of Indian, Chinese and continental, plus a huge dining capacity for 100 plus people. This is Charcoal Kitchen and Cafe located in Patia. Ebe main review par asiba. Cafe newly open ହେଇଛି କିନ୍ତୁ Google रे 4.8 with 100 plus reviews को sum up करिले एटा ही जଣା पडुची that their food is good. Not average good, more like impressive good. From some of the dishes that we tried, we'll highly recommend their lasagna, chef special Sizzler, chicken Tikka platter, pan fried chili fish, blueberry waffle with ice cream and their bestseller Murgh Musallam. Flavors were on point plus portions were satisfying. 80 parties host Koriparibo, there's a space and equipments for live music, you can perform as well. And very soon, shisha will be launched. I think all these reasons are enough for you to visit Charcoal. What do you think? Prices and details are mentioned in caption. Chalo, tata.